Question number 6, Dr. Paul Hutchison.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker. To the Minister of Health, what progress has the government made on its national preventive health targets this year?
The Honourable Tony Ryall.
Very good progress. Clinicians in the district health boards and general practice to continue to provide more and more patients with advice and support to quit smoking. Engaging with a clinician is internationally proven to be one of the most effective ways to quit smoking. Latest reports say there are 70,000 fewer New Zealanders smoking today than there were 3 years ago, and the rate of daily smoking for youth has fallen dramatically from 14% in 06-07 to 6% in 2011-12. And this year's child immunisation results show that there is virtually no difference in the rates between ethnicities or family income. Immunisation rates for the richest families are the same for the poorest families. And as you know, Mr. Speaker, immunisation is one of the most effective interventions to prevent against infectious diseases in children.
Dr. Paul Hutchison.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker. To the Minister of Health, what further work is planned for preventative health in the new year?
The Honourable Tony Ryall.
Mr. Speaker, there are over 4,000 notified cases of whooping cough this year, of which 120 babies were hospitalised. The severe cough can cause babies to stop breathing and can lead to blindness, brain damage and severe cases death. Mr. Speaker, I'm pleased to announce to the House today that the government will announce this afternoon that a free whooping cough vaccine, Boostrix, will be made available to all pregnant women in New Zealand from the 1st of January next year until the current outbreak finishes to help protect their babies from this potentially fatal disease. We are advised that vaccinating mothers is the best way to provide ongoing protection for babies, and on top of this, the government also encourages parents to have their babies vaccinated again at 6 weeks.
Question number 7, the Right Honourable Winston Peters.
No, supplementary question, Speaker.
I beg your pardon, supplementary question, the Right Honourable Winston Peters.
As part of this dynamic progress being made under his administration, the circumstance where pharmacies have been told that the Health Department will not be financing any signs alerting people in New Zealand to the rise in pharmaceutical costs on 1 January next year.
The Honourable Tony Ryall.
Mr. Speaker, that's not correct. There is going to be a flyer that will be available in all pharmacies.
Question number 7, the Right Honourable Winston Peters.
Speaker. Speaker, this question is to the Prime Minister and asks,